How to change username on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from Play Store of your Android. When the app will be installed, you have to open the app on your Android. You can see the desktop of the Messenger like chats, calls, people and the stories here. We are going to know that how to change the username on Facebook Messenger. Click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option. You can see at the third there is a username. Before changing username, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on edit username. This username is not available, just I have to write any of the new username, like I'm going to write Amna Malik, and you can see this username is not available on Facebook. I just write the digits here, and in this way can your username become a part of your custom links. It means this username is already exists. You have to just write a new username, and in this way username will be changed like this. I have changed this username. Click on save option. In this way that username will be changed on your Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.